Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can see the private accounts on Instagram. So for that you need to open up your browser and then search for igmods.com, and then just open up the very first link that you will see on the Google search results. Just open up this option of view private account, and after that this is where it will lead you to, and all you have to do is just follow these three steps. And first one is that you put the username of that particular user who you want to see the private photos of, and just click on connect. And after verification you will be able to go on Instagram and see the private pictures and videos and all the profile of that particular user without even following them. And this is how you get to see private accounts on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.